Running a web hosting business doesn't have to mean buying expensive servers or building a data center. In fact, thousands of entrepreneurs make recurring monthly income by reselling hosting. And today, I'll show you exactly how you can do it with InMotion Hosting's Reseller hosting. Reseller hosting lets you purchase server resources from a hosting provider and then divide and sell those resources under your own brand. You set the prices, you create the plans, and you keep the profits. It's one of the simplest ways to start a hosting business. No hardware, no server maintenance, just pure margin. InMotion Hosting gives you everything you need to start selling hosting on day one. WHM plus cPanel for account creation and management, free billing software to help you automate signups, invoices, and suspensions, white label branding so your customers see your brand, not ours. UltraStack performance with NVMe SSDs, real human support from expert technicians, free domain reseller tools and SSLs, and you can easily upgrade to Reseller VPS for even more power. That means you focus on earning recurring revenue while we handle the back end. So let's talk business. Here's the top ways people make money with reseller hosting. Number 1, sell web hosting plans directly. Create your own hosting packages, for example, small, medium, and premium, and charge monthly or annually. Example, if you pay $26.99 a month for your reseller plan and sell just 10 accounts at $10 a month, that's $100 monthly revenue. Your hosting cost stays the same, so the rest is profit. Number 2, bundle hosting with web design services. If you build websites for clients, hosting becomes a natural add-on. Charge for the build, then charge a monthly hosting fee. This creates recurring income long after the project's done. Number 3, offer maintenance and care plans and high-margin extras. With services like website updates, backups, security monitoring, speed optimization, many resellers earn more from these services than from hosting itself. Number 4, sell domain names with InMotion's free domain reseller account. Easily set your own prices, and this is a great passive way to earn additional income. Number 5, upgrade to Reseller VPS for higher earnings. As your business grows, a Reseller VPS gives you more power and more control, allowing you to charge premium prices. Your only fixed expense is the reseller plan itself. Everything else is markup and margin. A single reseller plan can host dozens of paying customers, generating recurring monthly income. Every business needs a website, and every website needs hosting. And most small businesses would rather pay someone they trust, like you, than manage the hosting themselves. Reseller hosting gives you a product people will always need, and a business model that can grow month after month. So if you're ready to start your own hosting business, add recurring revenue to your agency, or finally monetize your tech skills, then InMotion Hosting's Reseller hosting is the easiest way to get started. Visit the address on the screen or in the description below to explore more plans, compare features, and launch your hosting business today. I'm John Paul from InMotion Hosting, and if this video is helpful, hit like or subscribe for more tech tutorials. InMotion Hosting, always on, always human.